There are a number of ways in which we can speed up the rate of dissolution, or the rate at which a solute dissolves in water. A common way, of course, is to use a spoon to stir. Well, I'm going to take some sugar, and we'll use roughly the same amount in two different beakers. And then we'll add cold water to each. And I'll add about 80 mils using the gradations on the beaker. And then one we'll simply let sit, and the other we will stir. And as you might expect, the stirring process speeds up the rate at which the sugar dissolves. But can you explain why that is? It's a good challenge for your students to try to explain that. So now most of it's dissolved. A second method involves using heat. So we can take, again, the same amount of cold water, and then I'll add hot water to the second container. And then if we stir these, the hot water is already dissolved, and the cold water takes much longer to dissolve. So the temperature obviously makes a difference in terms of the rate of dissolution. A third way has to do with particle size. So again, I'll take a spoonful of crystalline sugar, and then we'll take a second one with powdered sugar. So here we've got powdered sugar. And again, we'll add water to both. Adding cold water. A bit more. And then we'll stir them. The only problem with the powdered sugar that's available commercially is that it's not going to form a clear solution because it has a little bit of starch in with it to prevent the sugar from sticking together. But the sugar itself certainly dissolves much more quickly than the crystalline sugar in the other beaker. So particle size also affects the rate of dissolution